In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a strong liquid fertilizer and a mild insect repellent using just two simple things. No chemicals, no complicated steps, and nothing expensive. This is something you can easily make at home and use on your vegetables, houseplants, and garden plants. The first thing we need is orange peels. These are usually thrown away, but they're actually very useful for plants. Orange peels contain natural oils and nutrients that plants benefit from, while many insects don't like the strong citrus smell. You can use peels from oranges you eat at home. If you want, you can rinse them quickly with water, especially if they feel waxy. Take the orange peels and put them into a blender. Add a small amount of water, just enough to help the blender run smoothly. You don't want to add too much water here because we're trying to make a concentrated mixture. Blend everything until the peels turn into a thick, smooth liquid. This step helps release the natural oils and nutrients from the peels. Now, grab a bucket and add a little warm water to it. The water should be warm, not hot. Warm water helps pull the oils out of the orange peels more effectively. Pour the blended orange peel liquid into the bucket. Mix it really well so everything combines properly. Once that's done, cover the bucket. You don't need to seal it tightly. Just cover it with a cloth or a loose lid to keep insects out. Now, leave this mixture alone for 24 hours. During this time, the oils from the orange peels slowly infuse into the water, turning it into a citrus-rich liquid. After 24 hours, it's time to move to the next step. Take another container and fill it halfway with clean water. Before pouring anything, place a cloth over the bucket with the orange peel liquid. This cloth will act as a filter and catch all the solid bits. Now, pour 1 jug of the orange peel liquid through the cloth into the container with water. This straining step is important because it keeps your final liquid smooth and prevents spray bottles from clogging later. Now comes the second ingredient, compost tea. Compost tea is packed with beneficial microorganisms that help improve soil health and support plant growth. Pour 1 jug of compost tea through the same cloth into the same container. This way, everything stays clean and filtered. Mix the liquid really well so the orange peel extract and compost tea blend evenly. If you don't know how to make compost tea, don't worry. There are several simple methods, and you can find many easy tutorials on our channel. Even a basic compost tea works perfectly for this mixture. Your liquid fertilizer and mild insect repellent is now ready. You can use it in 2 different ways. First, you can pour it into a spray bottle and spray it directly on your plants. Make sure to spray the leaves, especially the underside, because that's where insects usually hide. This helps repel pests naturally while giving the leaves a gentle nutrient boost. Second, you can also give this liquid directly to your plants by pouring it into the soil around the base. This feeds beneficial microbes in the soil, improves nutrient absorption, and supports healthy root growth. It's a great way to strengthen plants from the inside. For best results, use this mixture early in the morning or in the evening. Avoid spraying during strong sunlight, as wet leaves under harsh sun can sometimes get stressed. You can use this once every 7 to 10 days. Always watch your plants and adjust if needed. Healthy growth, greener leaves, and fewer insects are good signs that it's working. This method is simple, natural, and effective. Instead of throwing orange peels away, you're turning kitchen waste into something useful. It saves money, improves plant health, and reduces the need for chemical fertilizers and sprays. If you try this at home, let us know how it works for your plants.